Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin Baraya and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about the linear layout and how to use it in Android. Okay, now first of all let's talking about font size and colors with material design. Actually, Google made a material design guide for visual, motion, and interaction design across platforms and devices to use it in your Android app. And we can check the Google website for the material design color system. And from here, you can choose the best color for your app. And if we go to the bottom page, from here we can choose any color you want for your app. And also they have a great tool for choose a color, and we can use it here. And from here we can choose the primary color and change it, and the light and dark color, and the same thing for the secondary. And from the same website but in different page, we can check the font size unit. So from here in the type system we can see the font size unit. For Android we use SP. Okay, after the material design, now let's talking about the image view. And the image view used for display image resources. And let's take a simple example for image view. Here we have image view, open tag and this close tag, and we have Android layout width and high. We can choose wrap content, and from here we can choose which image we want from Android src, and inside the drawable file this is the image name, and we can choose scale type in the center. Okay guys, now let's talking about linear layout. And linear layout extends from view group, and it is a layout that arranges other views either horizontally or vertically. Okay, now let's dive in and build a new project by using linear layout. So we're gonna use Android Studio and build a new project. So from the Android Studio we can start a new project, then we can choose empty activity. Next, I'm gonna change the name, and we could name it linear layout example, and we're gonna choose the save location on the desktop, and from here we can choose the minimum API level. I'm gonna start API 6 with the API 16, and after done I can just hit finish. And after Gradle build finished, then we can choose activity main XML, and from here, from the text mode, we can change the constraint layout. We can change the root for this layout to be linear layout. And if you guys don't found this one, we can find it from the resource file, and inside the layout folder we can find it from there. So from here we gonna change the root for this layout, and put linear layout. Then we need to add the orientation, because linear layout working with the orientation. So I can put the orientation here, Android orientation vertical, in this way. Then we're gonna add image view. So we put image view here in this way with the image view tag, and we choose this image inside the drawable file with the layout width and height with the wrap content, and scale type center crop in this way. So we have this image right now. Okay guys, now let's start working with the image view. So I'm gonna delete this text view right now. So in the image view, if we wanna add this image view to be the most of high view, so what we do, so first of all we're gonna change layout high from the wrap content to be 0 dp in this way. Then we need to add weight equal 1. And we do that because we are using orientation vertical. Because this is vertical orientation, then we can change the height to be 0 dp and add the weight for it. But if we using the horizontal orientation, so in this case we can change the width to be 0 dp and add the weight. Okay guys, now let's continue and add another view. So we're gonna add text view in this way, and this text view we put it in the bottom of this UI, and this is coming here because we're using a vertical orientation for each view. So first one was image view, and after this image view we have this text view. And with this text view we choose text, then layout width, match parents, and high with the wrap content. And we can add text color and text size. And here we add layout weight equals 0 because we want this image to be weight equal 1 to take the most of the UI. So in this case we choose this layout weight equal 0. Then the background, we can choose the background for this text and we choose this color for this background. Then I'm choosing to add another text view. So here we can add another text view in the same way. So in this text view we put text and width and height, then text color and layout weight equals 0, and we choose text size and the background for this text view in this way. So this image could be shown in this way. And we can delete this, and that's it. And finally, I just want to mention here we can change the weight for each view depend on what we need. So here with this text view, this one, if we change the weight from 0 to be equal number 2, so in this case this weight gonna take 2 weight and 0 weight for this weight and 1 weight for the image. And if we want to return it back, so this 0 here, and the same thing with the another weight, we can change the weight for this text view to be equal to in the same way or equal 0. Okay guys, now that's it for this video. So if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get update tutorials. And that's it. See you in the next one.